If you had a child born after 2024 or you have kids under 18, the US government may have already opened a financial account in their name right now without you doing anything. It's called a Trump account. And as of this month, it's live. Some families are finding out their child already has money sitting in one. Others have no idea it exists, and that's exactly the problem. Because there are deadlines, rules, and a few mistakes that could cost you thousands of dollars over time. In the next few minutes, I'm going to break down exactly what this account is, who qualifies, how the money grows, and the mistakes smart parents are avoiding right now that most people don't even know about. Quick note before we dive in, I'm not a licensed financial advisor, and this isn't personalized financial advice. I'm going to walk you through what's publicly known about this program so you can make informed decisions or talk to a tax professional about your specific situation. Let's get into it. So here's the simple version. Trump accounts, officially known as 530A accounts, launched on July 4th, 2026. Created under the Taxan spending law passed last year, think of it like a retirement account, but for a child starting from birth. The $1,000 federal deposit goes to children who are U.S. citizens, have a valid Social Security number, and were born between January 1st, 2025 and December 31st, 2028. Parent or guardian has to open the account for the child to receive it. It's not automatic. If your child was born before 2025, you don't get the federal $1,000. But up to 25 million children age 10 or younger living in zip codes with median incomes under $150,000 may qualify for a separate $250 charitable deposit funded by the Michael and Susan Dell Foundation. So even older kids might have money waiting. Family, friends, and employers can contribute on top. Currently capped around $5,000 per year. By law, the money has to go into approved funds, tracking the S&P 500 or similar broad U.S. stock index. This isn't sitting in cash, it's in the market, which means it can also go down in value in a bad year. The growth period ends on December 31st of the year the child turns 17. After that, it functions like a retirement. Account withdrawals are taxed as ordinary income on the growthportion.com. Here's the part that surprises people. This isn't automatic. Even if your child qualifies, a parent has to actively file a form or sign up through the official portal for the deposit to happen. And here's a number that puts this in perspective. If a child only ever gets that one time, $1,000 seed deposit and nothing else, it could grow to around $6,000 by age 18. But if a family contributes close to the max every year, that same account could grow past $270,000 by age 18. Same starting point, wildly different outcome, depending entirely on what the parent decides to do next. Let me give you quick context on why this matters right now. More than half of Americans say they're living paycheck to paycheck, and that number has climbed sharply over the past few years. Inflation ticked back up this year, and student loan borrowers are seeing defaults reported again after pandemic. Protections ended. So you have a generation of parents who are financially stretched, and now, for the first time, there's a federally seeded account designed to give their kids a head start before they even enter that same system. Okay, here's what you should actually do. Step by step. Step 1. Confirm the account exists. Check with the IRS or your tax filing records. Don't assume. Verify. Most families won't be automatically notified clearly. Step 2. Understand the contribution limits and set up even small, consistent monthly contributions if you can. Consistency matters more than the amount. Step 3. Check if your employer Chase, Charles Schwab, Ube, JP Morgan, and Chipotle have already committed to matching Trump account contributions for employees. Kids, That's potentially free money most people don't even ask HR about. Step 4. Loop-in family. Instead of another birthday toy, a contribution to this account is a far more impactful gift over the long run. Step 5. Talk to a tax professional about withdrawal rules before the child turns 18. Not after. The fine print on penalties and qualifier withdrawals matters. Now, let's talk about the biggest mistakes. Mistake number 1. Assuming the government already gave $1,000, so I don't need to do anything. That $1,000 is a starting point, not the plan. The families who benefit most treat it as an active account, not a forgotten one. Mistake number 2, and this is the big one nobody's talking about. People aren't thinking about withdrawal timing because this account has specific tax treatments. Pulling money out at the wrong time could trigger taxes or penalties that offset years of growth. The families who benefit most plan. They exit just as carefully as they planned the contributions. Mistake number 3. Ignoring the account because it feels like government red tape skepticism about the politics is fair, but it shouldn't stop you from at least checking if free money is sitting in your child's name. Verify first. Form your opinion after. Let's quickly recap. Trump accounts are a new federally seeded investment account for eligible children. Live as of 2026. The government deposits an initial amount. Family and even employers can contribute more. And the money is invested, not sitting in cash. The real risk isn't the account itself, it's inaction or mismanaging it when it's time to withdraw. If this helped you understand something that affects your family's money, that's exactly what this channel is here for. Hit subscribe so you don't miss the next video.